They couldn't see you, pa? Hi everyone! Good evening! Nakatapos lang namin mag-dinner ni Opa at dumating na ang aming package from Almiri Pinoy Store. There's a lot of favorite Filipino food for Opa here. Let us see. Are you excited, Opa?
Yeah, I'm interested what is inside.
Your favorites?
Yeah.
My favorite.
There's mangoes.
Mango, banana, the cracker, the noodles.
Oh, they're all?
Oh, Merry Christmas! Oh, there's a gift! Wow!
Aww.
My lucky. My crackers. At what is this? My lapis. A pencil.
A pencil.
Yeah. That's why I really like that store, Opa. They always give me something extra.
Yeah, I can understand.
Aww.
So,
You're such a nice woman, you have to give an extra gift.
I don't want to see how much it would cost.
You don't have to pay it yourself.
I already paid it.
Yeah, but then
You're gonna pay it also?
I will pay it too. Yeah, is that all right?
Yeah, oh my god.
Aww.
I eat from it, so...
It's not yet right. 1 kilo of mango. Tapos, this is for dessert. I will make graham float.
What is that?
A dessert, it's a cracker to put with the...
What is Graham? What's Graham?
It's a cracker, Opa.
What is a cracker?
Yeah, and then you're gonna put some, what you call that, cream, and then this mango when it's already ripe.
Oh yeah, and you put something on it.
Yeah, Opa, this is for me. And you can eat this also. It's
Yeah,
also
is that the cookies?
the cracker, yeah,
Yeah,
cookies. And this is your cookies. The same as that one. That one
The
is,
same as the top.
yeah, on top. That one is original flavor, but this one is the purple yam. It's very nice. It's very delicious also. What else? And there is our favorite banana. 2 kilos of saging na salba from Davao, I think.
And how much did you pay for it all?
Secret. 178 and then 69.
178
No, 78 plus 69
78
plus 69
and 69 cents or
euro.
Euro. 60. Oh,
Yeah.
96 or 69.
69 and 78.
This 60 and 70 is 140.
Yeah, maybe. This is for our dessert on Christmas Day. I will make some Filipino dessert. Oh, I told you don't have to pay. It's
Yeah,
my
well, I will pay. I will.
it's my cravings.
Yeah, well, we pay it together.
This is the sardines. You already tasted and you like it.
Oh, I'm sure. I don't know.
This is the spicy one and this is the regular one.
Oh, the sardines.
Sardines, yeah. Opa likes the sardines
And
actually.
sardine is very good
Yeah.
for your health.
Opa likes our sardines. No, they cannot see you. I will not allow them to see you, my God.
Oh, you are not finished.
Some crackers. My coffee. This is for our fried chicken. But this is for the dessert, buko.
And that is
To fry the
fry the
yeah, the
chicken.
chicken, yeah. This is for my sinigang. This is to make the sour soup. The sour soup. A juice from the Philippines. And this is for the dessert also. And I think that's it, Opa. I have like 8 pieces of mangoes. I want your son and Yolanda taste this, but when it's already ripe. Because last time I didn't give them, I forgot. See, 8 pieces. For 4 pieces is already 1 kilo. And what is this? Huh? This is shrimp paste. Shrimp paste.
Shrimp.
Yeah, I know you know this because you will probably see that in Indonesia. Shrimp paste, okay? It's stinky but it's lekker. Why? Why are you laughing?
I don't know exactly what it is.
shrimp.
Yeah,
Yeah, and then a very big shrimp, and then they make it preserved it.
Yeah.
This is, I think, what's this? I think it's bopis. I don't know what did I order. I think it's bopis. Yeah, and that's it, Opa.
What is it?
A Filipino food again, Opa. I'm crazy with Filipino food. Oh, the miswa is not here. She forgot to put the miswa.
Aww.
I will check it later. Oh, I forgot to put the miswa.
They miss it, but it will come later.
Nee.
You miss it,
Yeah.
and you had to pay for it.
Nee. It's not included here.
Oh, it's
so
not included. Oh no.
I forgot. Well, that is our unboxing with Opa.
Aww.
You see? The mango is so expensive.
Is the mango so expensive?
Yeah. For 2 kilos is 49, and then for the saba it's set 20 euro. Wow. Very expensive, Opa. Sorry, Opa. I'm getting stressed. Are you getting stressed now? Huh? I don't know what is this.
I'm very happy I have a rich woman in my home.
Opa, this is my happiness, and then my family and you.
Aww.
This is the only happiness for me.
Oh, that is for you.
Yeah, my family, food, and you. Yeah.
Don't break it.
Oh my god, it's so... Oh! Okay. Oh, wow.
What is that? Yeah, meat.
Yeah, speck.
Oh,
Ayaw niya kasi yung bubble.
so you have for a week's back.
No, it's already good for 3 weeks. So.
Yeah.
Like,
It looks good.
yeah. Yeah, Opa.
Yeah.
You wanna try this? Or later?
Later.
Because I will make you the lumpias, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, I'll bring you the lumpias, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you for staying with me in my unboxing, okay? You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye! Binayaran 100 euro. Ito lang yung 3 weeks. Pero hindi. Usually kasi, mas pinaprioritize ko siya pag gusto niya yung Filipino food. Katulad nitong mangga, gusto niya to. So, pinapakain ko siya isang piraso. So, mas marami siyang nakakain kaysa sa akin. Yung saging naman, pinapahinog ko, ginagawa kong turon kasi favorite niya din. And then, yun, kailangan kasi namin yung iba sa Pasko. Tapos yung otap na isa, siya nakaubos na. Kaya wala kang iba. Pero syempre, bibigyan ko pa rin siya. Kasi kailangan kung ano yung pinapakita mo sa tao, syempre, ganun din yung ibabalik sa'yo. Kung kabutihan, edi kabutihan din yung ibibigay niya sa iyo, mga besh. So, ganun lang yun. Hindi nila alam. May regalo ko sa kanila sa Pasko. This month, parang, ang dami kong bonus kay Opa. Napakaswerte kay Opa. Nawalan man ako ng tatay. At least, may isa pa akong tatay. Ayun. So, that's it for today's video, mga besh. Ang gulo ng aming kusina. Lilinisan ko muna. Bye for now.
The next day.
Friday na ho ngayon mga besyo at ayun, late na ako bumangon kasi puyat ako dahil nilibing yung tatay ko. Naka-online ako. Nanonood sa kanila. Parang di pa rin makapaniwala wala na yung tatay ko. Pero ganun talaga ang buhay. Yan ang lamig mga besyo. Sobra. Tas naambun pa. Ay. Dito na ako sa grocery at ako'y mabili ng mga gulay-gulay. Naksa. ang tinapay ko. May itlog ng pugo. Ngayon ko lang to nakita. Bumili ako ng isa. Masarap ang itlog ng pugo.
Later.
Ayan, nakauwi na po ako. Pinakita ko kay Opa at gustong-gusto din pala niya ito mga besh.
The next day.
Hello mga Beshwab, ito ay last Sunday pa, sorry talaga at super late ng aking mga vlog ngayon dahil alam nyo naman, hindi ko na kailangang explain, charis. So ayan, pumunta ko ng Utrecht Central kasi minit ko yung aking kaibigan na si Che at saka si Eileen. Binigay ko yung kanilang order na beef tapa at saka kimchi, charis. Hindi, papasko ko yun sa kanila. Tapos sinumahan ko na rin naman ng isang pansit canton at saka manggagaling Pilipinas. So, ayun, so lakad-lakad lang kami dyan sa Utrecht Central. Napakaganda dito kasi paglabas mo ng Central Station, ayan na agad yung mall and then vice versa. Napakaganda po talaga ng lokasyon nila. Then, ikot-ikot lang, tingin-tingin lang kami ng mga sale kung may mabibili at kung magkakasya ang aking pera. Charis. Binigyan ako ni Opa ng 40 euro pang coffee namin. O, diba? At kada labas ko binibigyan ko. Nahihiya na ako, tayo ko nang tanggapin. Pero sabi niya, gift daw yun. And hindi na ako nag-expect ng any gift or bonus from him. Kasi alam ko naman na lagi niya akong binibigyan, mga besh. Tapos ending nitong 25, which is kahapon, may gift pa pala siya sa akin. Binigyan niya ako ng isang Hugo perfume for women. Syempre, pang babae. Alam mo, pang lalaki, diba? Siguro ay pinabili niya yun sa kanyang hipag. O, ayan si Ining, diba? Ikot-ikot lang kami dito mga beshop kasi di namin alam kung saan kami kakain or kakain ba kami. Well, actually, kumain pala kami sa KFC. Nauwi sa KFC kaya ang mga kasama ko pala hindi pa nagatanghalian. Ang original plan namin ay magkita lang sa Amersfoort Central, yung malapit-lapit dito sa amin, para mamasyal dun sa castle. Kaso wala naman, sarado. Wednesday pa sila mag-open. O ayan, napakaganda ng mall dito mga beshop, as in.
A few moments later.
Tapos na akong mag-shopping, cheers. Nakabili ng 3 pirasong naka-sale. So, lalabas na tayo at mag-aantay sa ating mga kasama, mga besh. Asa na kaya sila? Saan sila nagpunta? Ayan, lumabas kami ng mall at ito ang nakita namin. Maganda din naman pala dito. Nakapunta na ako before pero hindi pa ganito. Wala pa yung mall, mga besh. Doon kami sa mismong sentrong pumunta.
Later.
Uwian na, wala ng pera. Punta na kami sa train station. As in, paglabas mo ng mall, train station agad. Ito yung pinakamaganda dito Alas 4 na. Nagdidilim ng kapaligiran. So, that's it for today's video mga beshwap. At maraming salamat sa walang sawang suporta at subaybay ninyo. Merry Christmas po in advance. Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Bye for now.
The next day.
Nabasa ang aking bike. Buti na lang hanggang dito yung may tabon. So, hindi basa yung upuan. Mag-grocery tayo. Panghanda natin for Christmas kasi sarado ang grocery ng Wednesday or ng Pasko. So, ngayon at bukas lang sila open. Tapos sa Friday na. So, tara na mga beshwaps.
A few moments later.
Abay, sobrang busy. Inabot ako 30 minutes yata dun sa bilihan ng karne. Daming tao kasi Wednesday sarado mga shops. Kaya ngayon, nagawa na nila yung shopping for Christmas. Ngayon, punta na tayo sa grocery. Bibilin tayo. So hello mga beshwap. Ito ay nung last Monday, 2 days before Christmas. Ayan, nag-grocery ako at super busy, napakaraming tao. Nagla-last minute shopping sila for Christmas. And ngayon ay alas 2 na madaling araw. Saka ako nagbo-voice over. Kasi maaga ako natulog dahil pagod ako galing sa city mga beshwap. Pagdating ko, nag-dinner lang kami, tapos pagod ako at antok na antok. The whole day na mafag dito sa amin mga beshwap. Hindi natanggal yung kapangyarihan or mahika ni Inang Reyna sa buong Netherlands, as in maulap siya, charis. So ayun na nga, dito makikita mo iba-ibang meat. May makikita kang meat ng rabbit, ng deer, tsaka ng duck. Ayan, so special yun for Christmas mga bed. Punong-puno na naman mga besyo. Tapos meron pa nire. Anong oras na ba? 4:24 pa lang, pero tingnan nyo naman. Madilim na ang kapaligiran. My goodness. Uwi na ako.
Later.
Bahay na ako mga besyo. Grabe, dilim na. 4:44 pa lang yun ha. Dilim na sa labas. Bumili ako nito. Patungan ng plato. For Christmas. Kala ko mahal. €2.50 lang para. Bumili ako ng 4. Diba? Ano na. Ready na for Christmas. Charis.